Hello guys, this is Blood TV. I would like you to watch this video to the end.
Most of our problem in this ministry is not even an outsiders. Some of our problem are insiders. Two of you come. This is one of those problems that stand here before you slap to correct your brain now. You stand here. This is one of the problems we're having. Brother Ebuka is collecting money. Every time he says he's not collecting money, nobody can pay money to see him. Nobody pay money to see him. But his people are collecting money on his behalf. This is the problem. Everybody understand my teaching, that I am the one. The first time I was they sent assassin to kill me was some men of God, because I condemn any man of God charging you money to see him. Any pastor, man of God, woman of God, that before you have access to him, you pay money, is fake. The gift we receive is freely, and the freely we shall give. So these are the problem we have. This man is from America. Let us hear his encounter, because this boy is going to prison from here. Okay. Your name. Okay. Okay. Because I was so angry with the man, because it shows that he is even because most of people 419, most of people who are that 419, they have duped me. That person have such mindset. Now, put this mic, your name, your state you come from, and where you base, and your encounter when you come to Zion.
My name is Chris Okoye. I'm from Awidemni in Osun local government, Imo State. So my encounter recently, I came back from the United States in December 18th. I've been around. I was lodging around here until I moved over to my house in Lekki. Then my trip to Nigeria is ending by 7th of next month. I decided, because I've been very anxious to meet our Daddy Ebuka. So at the stage that was last week, I had to make some calls. I called the engineer.
You say you are very anxious?
I said I was anxious to meet you like any other person, everybody. Okay. So I had to make a call to Engineer Chiwike. He didn't pick. I made calls to some people to see if anyone that can help me to actually get access to seeing him. Then I remember I had, when I came in newly, I had one security guy's number. I searched for it, I got it. The only thing I actually asked him was, which day can I do, is the office days to see Daddy Ebuka? And he told me Monday, Friday. Then immediately he said that actually that Daddy Ebuka is meeting a lot of, his interest now is to meet all those that came from outside the country, that's what the people he want to meet now. I said, okay, I am from outside the country, if that's the case. He said, oh, okay, that he will help me to inform me when to meet him and all those things. I said, that will be fine. If you can do it, I'll be happy. Then he dropped and called me back later. He called me back later and told me that he will want to talk to, he uses the two words interchange them. Sometimes he say he wants to talk to the manager, sometimes he said the chairman. I said, okay. Then he said, he call me back. He called again and said that he had met the chairman. The chairman told him that 10 people have been selected, have been scheduled to meet with our brother. I said, okay, is there any way the 10, can he expand it maybe for me to join? He said he will talk to him. Now he will talk to him, he will tell him that I am his uncle. I said, okay, go ahead. Then later he told me to give him like 30 minutes. In 30 minutes time he called me back. He said he had talked to him that the chairman has said he can really accommodate 12 people. I said, okay, then let me be part of the 12. He said then that he would go back and tell him that I'm interested to be in that number. I said, go ahead. The next time he called back, he said he said I should submit my return ticket, a copy of my return ticket, and also my passport data information, which I forwarded to him. Calm down. Hello. Then the next thing, he called me back and said that the manager said that my ticket shows that I've been in Nigeria for only 2 months. That Ebuka, what the manager told him, according to him, that the Ebuka said he will not entertain anybody that is less than 3 months in the country. I said okay. I told him my name. My distance is 2 months plus. He came back again, called me and said, but he had told the manager that I'm his uncle and that he's ready to help me to expand the number to 12. I said that's fine. Later he dropped, because these calls are short calls. He dropped and called back again and told me that the manager said that he needs to do some adjustments on my ticket to make it to look like 3 months. Then I told him, please, this thing you are doing, whatever I'm saying here, they are recorded. He didn't know I was recording him. I told him, this thing you are saying, if it requires to drop anybody from the list to accommodate me, please, I'm not interested. He said, no, Daddy, because he has seen me before, so he can call me Daddy. So he said, Daddy, I actually want you. I can't, since I've decided that I will talk to the manager, and the manager is ready to help, I want you to see the Ebuka before you go. I said, okay, I will appreciate that. Eventually, he said, yeah, some details are required. Then I said, okay, what will I do? He said that the manager said I should give him something to be able to adjust to that, and that he will take it where they will adjust it. I let him tell me exactly what he wants me to do, because I was actually recording this thing. I said, tell me exactly what you want me to do. He said they shall give him anything that he can use to adjust it in wherever they are adjusting. Then I told him, okay, I will give you 10,000 naira. Let him use it for the 10,000 naira. What of my own? Daddy, I go clean mat now. I said, okay, I will give you 20,000 naira. Then I sent him the money, the evidence. Yeah, I sent the money, 20,000, because he sent 2 account numbers. One is First Bank, one is OPay. Then after, he came back again, said that the manager is telling him that this kind of thing, that he knows what it will take him to talk to Daddy Ebuka to accommodate my name, because Daddy Ebuka is busy now. I said, what does the manager, what does he say will take him? Then he said the money is too big. I said, how money is too big for what? Again, I've given you. He said, that one I've explained to you now. He said, the manager said 100,000 naira. Then I was like, so I told him I can't pay that kind of money for what now? I said, one thing I can assure you, one thing I can assure you is that I appreciate people here so much. If many people that will know me, that people that will just sat with me in here, sometimes I'll be moved to dash somebody money. I said, I've been doing that. If you facilitate it through the manager, and the manager say he can take me without dropping anybody, I said, I will appreciate his effort. He said, okay, can you bring 70,000? I said, no. Can you bring 60,000? I said, no initially. Eventually, I said, okay. Okay. Then I sent him the 60,000. Wait. At this point, at the point I sent in that money, I talked to somebody. I talked to one sister that comes to here very often. The sister told me, it is better you start recording this thing that this man is saying, that this manager is mentioning is not involved. Nobody is involved. I got interested. I went back to pick some of the things, even the account number. He set his WhatsApp on disappearing mode. So all the things we've been doing, the thing disappeared. I couldn't see it. Then I talked to somebody. He said I should screenshot everything. I started doing that. Then he came back again and said, no, that the manager said the number has dropped to 5. That Ebuka said he can't accommodate more than 5 because he has a program he's doing. I said, this 5 now, I don't know what to say. I was telling him I'm really confused. He said, but don't worry. He knows that you are my uncle. Don't worry. He will do it. He will help you. He needs some, he said he still brings some money. I said, okay, I will send you money. Then he started calling me, disturbing about the money. I played along with him. That was around 1:20 a.m. in the morning. He started calling me. I refused to pick. Early the next morning, being Friday, he called me and told me, Daddy, I have made that the extra 60,000, apart from the first 60,000, I made the extra 60,000 to the account, to the manager. That the manager said he will use that 60,000 to settle 6 people that are working for him. That each of them, he will give them 10,000 naira. I was like, okay. He said, please send the money. I've already paid. I told him I will pay. Don't worry, I'll pay. Then, luckily for me, he said, can I send you, if you are doubting me, I can send you the transfer, this thing, receipt. I said, okay, go ahead. But I said, is it not better? Give me the number of the manager. He said, no, don't worry. When the manager, after the manager finishes, the manager will call him. Then he will call me. I said, but I would have preferred both the transfer receipt and the number. I knew what I was driving at. But then he said the meeting was held, that the manager said everything is okay now, that I will be seeing Daddy Ebuka this coming Friday. I said I can't, I'm traveling, I don't think I can see him that period. He said, no, that he has already paid. The next morning, he said I should send him that money now, that he has made the transfer on my behalf. That's where I continued playing. Then I put him on call to repeat some things that has wiped out before. He repeated them, I recorded them there. The whole thing is confusing.
Okay. Now, what is your name?
Odusen Oshola.
Huh?
Odusen Oshola.
Olu?
Oshola.
Which state do you come from?
Ogun State.
Ogun State. Now, Did you hear what he said? How much total do you send to him?
80.
Eh?
80,000.
80,000.
That's the extent I could bear the risk. The risk.
This one is even small. Some people has paid 7 million, 10 million to some Berima, to see Ebuka Obi. Huh?
Actually, I'm telling you the truth. I was at that first point. I didn't ever expect that manager can stoop that low. So I found out that he's out to.
Now wait. You self. There is symptom of fraudulent activities, because if you are honest man, there is no how you will be sending money to a security to give you access to see me. And you always hear when I'm saying that nobody should pay anybody. Now, what do you do? Why collecting money? Say the truth or you go to prison now.
Sir, let me say the truth, sir. The truth is that since when I've been in Zion, I've never done that kind of thing before, sir.
Oh no, again. You are not hearing him. Open your mouth and talk.
Since when I've come to Zion, that I've been at the gates, I haven't done that kind of thing before, but it's because my mom is not feeling well. That is why I do.
You're a thief. Did you see? Praise God. These are people that are bringing bad name to Zion. The people bringing bad name to this ministry are people working here. This is a security we pay every month. People have been complaining that they are collecting money from people on the gate to give them access to office. Especially those in America that come from America, UK, Italy, Europe. And these people that come from outside the country are also the cause of this. Because of desperation to see Ebuka Obi, they are bribing security. Things we don't allow in this ministry. Things we don't allow. Because this one have access to complain. Do you know how many thousands of people, if you are watching some Zion program sometimes, some people will be sending on the comment section, pay me my money. You collected my money online. Ebuka Obi Amaro. Some people open Facebook with Zion Prayer Movement Outreach. If you type Chukwu Ebuka Obi, you will see more than 400 Ebuka Obi with my picture. Scamming people online. Now, we are battling with the ones online. Now, this is even the one staying on the gate of my office. This boy was one of the, where is the owner of this company? Where is the man? These are people bringing bad name to this ministry. They are collecting money. Ebuka is collecting money. You will come and pay security money. Give me, I have told you, be it my best of best. Nobody is my best of best. Most of the things you are giving to people to give me, those things does not reach to me. Go to the office, write your name, write your number, sign signature, and drop something. Stop giving to a worker. Where is the owner of this company? Where is the manager? Let him come. Huh?
The fake bank transfer this thing. He claimed that he made to.
Because you're a criminal. Did you see the level of, so you can use app and be sending? You're a professional. You are going to Krikri from here. Come here. Okay, this is your boy, Abi.
Yeah, it's one of our workers.
This is the kind of people you bring to be working in the house of God.
Yes,
I
sir.
wonder.
Huh?
It's not the kind of people who bring, sir.
It's not the kind of people you bring.
Yes, sir.
Members to see me. 80,000. A woman was duped 7 million from South Africa.
Now, wow. Oh.
To see Ebuka Obi every week, every day. Because people are desperate to have access to me. They are paying 2 million, 3 million in the hands of criminals. We don't charge money here.
I hear you, sir.
That is our principle. We don't do bazaar in Zion ministry. We don't do first fruit. We don't even do tithe. Only what we do here once, offering, whatever you feel like. We don't do bazaar. Nobody pay money to see me, but these people working here are bringing bad name. From now, the Holy Ghost will begin to expose them one after the other.
Yes, so MMO.
Huh?
I say it's just one of the bad eggs.
Okay, one of the bad eggs you supply in my office.
No.
These are people that can collect money. Anonymous has been writing something about me, right? Tomorrow they will read what Anonymous were. I don't know them, but what those people were writing is the revelation I have been getting here every time. They first of all wrote that there is some men of God that will cause some girls to come. They will have a camera button. If the rape fell, the girl will begin to shout that Ebuka is trying to rape them. Anonymous wrote it, and check Anonymous things they are writing is always true. Now the last one they wrote is that they are planning to assassinate me. And and outsiders will not attack you successfully without the information of those that are close. And this is the kind of people that they brought to be in my office. My brother, since you are coming here, have you heard me preaching that nobody should pay money to see Ebuka Obi?
Very well.
You have heard me preaching it?
Very well.
Why did you go and pay security?
Daddy Ebuka, honestly speaking, if I tell you the point I started recording this guy, I knew that something fishy is in it. I started...
That is not the question.
Yeah. See, there's no...
I don't want to. I'm respecting your age. Bia Chumwika, the police should keep the boy. He will bring his BVN. They will go to court, bring all his accounts. We want to know how many people you have collected the money. And you will go and get this 80,000 and give him now. By giving him the 80,000, we will find out all the whole people you have been collecting. We are taking you up. Please, security, take them one place to go and keep them. Your sin have find you out. Problem. I will try to see you. I will try to see you. No problem. After today, I will give you an appointment. Next time, don't pay security. Don't pay anybody to see me. Seeing me is free of charge. It can be difficult. Nobody should beat him. Oh. Don't lay hand on him. Ngi wana share so. Ngi wana ma share out. Atros romono. Aye kill manager. My what information. Human manager. Just wait. I will see after the program. Go see where I'm from. Go see Eberima.
Hello guys, I've seen it. A lot of Judas Iscariot everywhere. Please, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Most importantly, turn on your bell notification. Thank you guys. Bye.